Mindful Cook, the Cook Along series with me from Veet's Cuisine cookbook, page 56. It's called the raw salad, but it's an almost raw salad because we're going to toast some sunflower seeds, about 2 tablespoons. So we're just toasting those until they're brown. And I've cooked up some rice. I'm just going to grab it. I cooked up some brown rice and I'm straining it. Just talk you through the brown rice situation. I soak the brown rice so that we get rid of the phytic acid, and then because I only soaked half a cup of brown rice, I couldn't just cook it in 1 cup of water, so I did it the immersion method, which is lots of water, and because it was soaked, it only took 20 minutes to cook instead of 40. Isn't that unreal? That's fantastic. And then yeah, so I don't know what then, but anyway, that's that. And so I'm going to put the rice in the middle of this beautiful bowl, and because this salad reminds me of my childhood, I grew up in Darwin. If anyone's watching from Darwin, I used to go to Simply Foods, and we had our salads in a wooden bowl. So I've got this wooden bowl that my parents bought me at Christmas, and so we're putting the rice in the middle. That's what I wanted to say about the rice. Because we cooked it the immersion method with lots of water, it actually has made more rice. It's wonderful. So if you're wanting volume, then more rice. Oh, there's a bit of water in there. That'll be fine. It's just a little bit. Turn off those sesame seeds now. And I need to put those sesame seeds into something, which I didn't think about. So I've just got to go into my beautiful pantry and grab a bowl and put those sunflower, I don't know, sunflower seeds in here. Okay. So now, I'm always doing things fast on the film, faster than I normally would. So you may want to pause. And we're going to do some tempeh. I'm not sure if you can see that there. So let's get that carrot out of the way. I'm just going to do some tempeh slices. And because we want with whatever we eat, we want to make sure we're having enough protein. And on a vegan diet, you can definitely get enough protein if you do it properly. And if you haven't got my complete protein chart, email me and I'll send it to you. Okay, so I've just put some oil in there, and avocado oil is the best oil to use for frying, but it's super expensive. So you can use unrefined organic sunflower oil, and I'll be writing a blog on sunflower oil because people think it's bad for you. On a vegan diet, if it's organic, you're going to be totally fine. So we got the tempeh cooking, and while that's cooking, we'll get the rest of the salad going. So I washed the lettuce earlier, wipe my board down, and so I've got some lettuce here, washed earlier, and just bring the bowl back, and we'll put some lettuce, we'll just tear it, and just put the lettuce in 4 places. That could be a song, couldn't it? The lettuce in 4 places. So I love lettuce. Lettuce is full of vitamin E, and I need plenty of vitamin E because I have cracked heels because I walk around without shoes a lot. Okay, so just turning that tempeh over. It's cooking beautifully. And we'll just have a couple of minutes on the other side and it will be done. So now we're going to grate the carrot. Pop the carrot. Grate the carrot. This is one of my favorite salads. And I first had something similar to this when I was working for Hero in Fremantle. I wonder if you're watching Hero. And she made me a beautiful lunch like this, similar to this, with lots of veggies in it. So we'll put the carrot there. And I've got celery. I'm going to turn that tempeh off now. And I'm growing Chinese celery. I'm a bit concerned that you won't be able to see with that there. Growing Chinese celery, which is smaller, but it grows beautifully well. And you can just pick off stalks as you need them, but it's smaller, isn't it? Beautifully small. So just giving that a nice fine chop. Chopping the celery, yum, yum, yum. I know not everyone loves celery, so I like it better cooked, but it does in summer give it a nice bit of freshness. And so we will, I'll chop the cucumber now. Lovely Lebanese cucumber. Not going to have it all, we don't need it all. Oh, to chop and look out, but not chop my little fingers off. I don't want to chop them off. Okay, that should be enough there. Then we're going to chop the tomatoes. There's a little bit of rogue celery, but it's okay. I'll chop it up later. And I'm going to take that. Oh, these tomatoes are beautiful. Beautiful organic tomatoes. And chop them up. Cherry tomatoes would be amazing in this. And almost done. And in the actual recipe it says radish, but I don't have any radish at the moment in my fridge, so I'm going to grate some zucchini in a minute. And I've got this lovely, very little, I picked it too early, corn. So we're going to put that in as well. So we put that. See how I'm chopping the corn with it laying down like that? Then it doesn't go flying all over the floor. You don't have a big mess. When you do it like that, it flies all over the floor. Like when you do that, it can easily fly all over the floor, I mean. Okay, so we've got this deliciousness going into the bowl now. Bring the bowl back. And we'll put the tomato here. I love having it in sections like this. And this is going to be our dinner mac for tonight. Super yum. And we'll put the corn, we'll mix the corn and the celery up and pop that over there. Just give my hands a little wipe. And then wipe down the board. Always keep your board clean. Put that in my squat bowl. The worms will love that. Okay, and then we're going to do the zucchini. I love raw zucchini. So give that a good grate. A good grate, mate. Okay, that's plenty for 2 people. We are having a feast, a yummy feast. Now, this may look super healthy, and some people might think super healthy means not delicious, but I can guarantee this is delicious. And for me, there's no point eating something if it's not delicious. Now this is where the messy bit comes, is the beetroot, because I'm going to have pink hands in a minute. I'm not going to do all the beetroot, just a bit of it. Okay, beautiful. And so we'll put the beetroot over there. My hands, they're not pink anymore, and I've got the tempeh. I'm just going to give that a little cut. You can do whatever you want with it. I'm just going to put that in here. Oh, this is looking so good. Yum, yum, yum. So lots of protein with the tempeh. So it's unpasteurized tempeh, so good vitamin B12 and probiotics. And this one actually isn't a complete protein because it's not made of soy. So that's why we've got the rice with it, and the sunflower seeds. And so I've also got some fermented veggies. It's not cabbage, but it's my favourite at the moment, and it's cucumbers from my garden, and radish, daikon radish. Which daikon is it's a prebiotic, and then this is a probiotic because of it being fermented. So it's fabulous to ferment. Okay, all right, so that's the pickle, and then we are going to put some of the seeds on. Just sprinkle them on like that, and then making the dressing. And the dressing is with lemon juice, and just adding. I'm going to add some of the fermented liquid because that will make a nice flavour. And then we've got more probiotics in the dressing, and some olive oil, and a splash of tamari. And then we pour that all over the salad. But because I'm eating this tonight, I'm not going to do that. But I will do that before serving. And I love it that it's all in compartments, so that when we go to, you could toss it, or when you go to eat it, you can just take out what bits you want. Bon appetit.
Here's the thing I slap on the end to get you to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.